Hey there, Terry Fisher here, and it's May 25th, and I just received a surprise package from Amazon. I haven't even looked inside it yet, so I'm going to do this unboxing with you, but check it out. So there is my name on the box, and when I open it up, here we go. Oh, turn this around. Alexa Champion swag. Look at this. Okay, so let's see what there is in here. There is, oh, what is this thing? This thing is big. This thing is big. Holy smokes. Hold on, I gotta somehow figure out how to open this thing. Trying to do it with one hand while I move around. How does this thing open? Oh, there we go. Let's open it up. Hi, the Alexa team. I'm excited to officially welcome you to the Alexa Champion program. Your voice innovations and dedication to Alexa are truly inspiring, and it's an honor to recognize you and some of the peers as new Alexa champions. You're now part of an elite 60+ developers who continue to educate and inspire others to build with Alexa. I'm impressed by your contribution to the community. Can't wait to see what you build next. Thank you for sharing your passion. Wow. Amazing. What do we have here? An envelope with something. Teri Fisher Champion. Whoa! This thing is big. Holy smokes. Okay, hold on. Let's put that back and then see what else there is in here. And then in here there is, ooh, a nice backpack. Check that out. Very cool. And what do we have here? A water bottle. Nice. And what is inside this envelope? Let's check out the envelope as well. Let's check this out. Okay, hold on. This is tricky to do with one hand, so bear with me here. Hold on. You gotta somehow prop this up. Ooh. All right, let's see what this is. This is, what's in here? This is ooh, a bunch of stickers. Alexa Champion stickers. Holy smokes. Check out all those. Very cool. So I got the water bottle, the stickers, the backpack, and this is, wow, that is cool. And Alexa Champion along with the letter. Thank you very much to Amazon. Thank you, everybody. Boy, amazing. That's really amazing. Thank you so much. I'm really humbled and I'm very impressed, and what a wonderful way to start off the week. Thank you to everybody at Amazon. Thank you to everybody in the community that's really supported what I've been doing. Northern Voice, this is all for you, okay? Take care, everybody. Have a great day.